现在你看最什么的？
哎呀，那这个是。
那完了。
Jackson.
What's going on YouTube? We fading back in with the Gbody monte series. Now today we making the first steps. We getting rid of this old 350 engine. That's pretty nice through little 350, I ain't gonna lie. Got some long tubes, but my brothers decided on a 454 swap. We said we was gonna LS swap, but we just looking for big power. What a block number that guy, right here. This is a L82 block number, 70s Corvette.
I just posted it to see what everybody was gonna be on, but niggas is respecting it. Cause for a band, it's solid than a motherfucker. Cause I'm offering you the whole thing, and you know it's plug and play. They just want to hear it run. I'm gonna take it out the ground. It's gonna start.
We need a hot battery though. But half.
They just slap whatever fucking bolts over there. You know, it's better. And you can have all that. I'm gonna save my flow masters, bro.
You need something for,
Like how they say.
you need at least up to there or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna come all the way like right here. Come all the way like right here and shit. Get a fucking hacksaw. That's what I need on the electric system. And a fresh blade. It'll get it done quickly. All I had to do is take off the motor mounts. I can't fucking see.
We about to borrow saws also. We just killing a little time, really. Shouts to my OG for the saws all year. In case you're wondering about the Chevy SS, you're still on standby for the new fuse, and we're snowed in. We're snowed in for about 4 days, so
Clean in the
still on
motherfucker
standby.
though.
We're doing garage work
Dog, I
instead.
didn't expect the oil pan to be that clean. That oil pan is clean as shit. You gotta see it from now. Come over here. You gotta see it from this angle. That motherfucker's clean.
It's leaking now.
Yeah. It's alright. I'll get some more stuff in pretty much.
You got a 13 millimeter?
Alright, that's it for this episode. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for all the love and support. Look out for the new videos that we got coming up soon too.